Hi, we are doing our next project, which is focusing on faces, where we are going to do portraits and practice proportion. In this lesson, we will understand that portraits express feelings and moods, observe and discuss proportion in portraits, and then make sketches of family members based on proportion, grid, and observation. Portraits and proportion. One way to tell how a person feels is to look at his or her facial expression. Say we'll look at expressions of people in paintings. A portrait is a close up view of a person. Proportion is the relationship and size of different objects or areas. We will learn about proportion in the human face. This is image A. It shows lots of expression. Expression shows emotions and feelings of the face. What expressions do you see on these people's faces? I noticed that people all seem interested in what they were reading. If you think about it, what parts of the face show expression? The eyes and the mouth really show expression. Also, look how the people are grouped. When artists group people together, it can show their closeness or their love and affection for one another. What expressions do you see in this painting? He is definitely smiling. What clues tell you more about the boy? His clothes seem worn and shabby, but his face looks bright and alert. Let's talk more about proportion. You're going to be using it in today's project. Proportion is how the facial features relate in size to the face. The dotted line on the face shown in this picture shows the proportion of the person's face. Most people's eyes are almost halfway between the bottom of the chin and the top of the head. There's a line down the center to help create the symmetry in the face. Whatever is on the left side of the line should be the same as the right. They should be mirror images of each other. The human face shows symmetry. When you draw a line down the middle, the two have their mirror images of each other. Here is an example of our project. You will start out with a T line. That will help with the symmetry and proportion of the face. Then you will draw the oval for the face and then the neck, and then add shapes to represent the facial features and details of the person. You can rewatch this video. Here's our art assignment. You are going to draw a portrait. You're going to need your pencil, eraser, and art sketchbook. You will draw a family member or friend's face. You can draw a very light T on your paper to help make your face symmetrical and help keep your eyes balanced. Erase the T when finished. Draw a basic oval for the face. Sketch neck and shoulders in. Then add hair and facial features to your artwork. You may add color if you have coloring materials. Also, put details on for the clothing or in the background if you would like. When you're done, take a picture of your artwork with your Chromebook and upload it to Schoology in the media album for today. Here are our studio evaluation criteria. Your portrait should fill the page. Proportions of the features of the face are basically aligned with guides to proportions. Portrait reveals key features of the subject's appearance and suggests a mood or a feeling. I might not have stressed that enough. Try and capture the person's mood or feeling in your artwork. And then over here on the side, sit across from your family member, study the shape of his or her head, draw the shape very large. You can sketch in guidelines. Ask your family member to pose with a special expression that shows his or her feeling.